Hey, Karl, how are you? Rick Mills with Execution Digital Marketing here. Spoke with Monica at your office recently. She said that you might be the person that would take a look at this video. All this is three tips and tricks to increase your online presence for your website and your SEO. So, obviously this is free. If you want to use these tips and tricks to yourself to increase leads and sales, totally good with that. If you do want to talk further and have any questions on how we can find you new sales, new customers, new leads, I'd love to do that as well. So without further ado, just want to jump in. The three things. Number one, I want to talk about content. Number two, I want to talk about citations, and number three, I want to talk about backlinks. So first and foremost, content. We're on your website, right? And that's what we want to look at. Content on your website is basically obviously all the words, but it's also pictures and descriptions of those pictures, links tied to those pictures and things like that. So bare minimum, as a rule of thumb, we want to have 1,500 words on our homepage. And as I scroll through your homepage, you have 283 words on your homepage. So it might 1,500 might seem like a lot, but it's really not. And it's definitely something that you can get to pretty easily and pretty quickly. Just as a comparison, I went to a competitor here, ABC Home and Commercial. We all know, they're a big player here in the Austin Round Rock DMA. But as you can see, and this is just their Round Rock landing page, right? I mean, ABC obviously is all over the place here, but just on this landing page, they have well over 1,500 words. So that gives you an idea. And in turn, what that means is, when we go to Google and we type in Round Rock Electrician, as you can see, one of the first organic results that you're going to see on this search term is ABC Home and Commercial. So that's how they got there. Um, and so that's a great way to get yourself on the first page of Google, which at the end of the day obviously is going to lead to more business for you. The next thing I wanted to talk about was citations. Okay, so when we do type in this word, this search term, Round Rock Electrician, the first thing obviously, is going to be ads, and ads are great. We do those as well, but that is pay to play. You're going to have to pay for that, right? And what we want is we want organic things that that are continuously growing your business, where you're not having to shell out a lot of money to get these ads. Another thing about the ads is a lot of people will turn on an ad blocker, and they won't even see these ads. And so the first thing they're going to come to, and most people will scroll to, is the first thing they're going to scroll to, is what we call the map pack. And this is a Google map pack, and this is usually about 3 or 4 businesses. As you can see, Mr. Sparky of Austin here, they actually bought an ad here. I'm sure they're paying a pretty penny for that. And the thing is, they don't have to. You can get in this map pack with citations, and all citations are, of course, are your business name, number, the way they're listed in all these online directories that that businesses sign up for. So your Yelp, your obviously Facebook, all these different directories, Home Advisor. And so, all we need to do is go in here, and I've got, plenty of tools to where I'm able to look at, okay, who are the 3 businesses that are in this map pack and where are their citations? And I can look at where their citations are. And then what we do is we go in and get our clients in those, cited on those websites as well as many others. So we make sure that you show up when somebody types in Round Rock Electrician. You're going to show up in this map pack in the top 3, and this is huge, lead generation area for these businesses right here. Mr. Electrical Round Rock, JC Electrical, and Jorgensen. They're just getting, these are essentially free leads that they're getting because their citations are built on Bedrock, and they've got a lot of them, and so you can definitely get in this map pack by just increasing your citations and making sure that you're matched with these folks that are in the top 3. So that's citations. The last thing I wanted to talk to you about is backlinks. And so, when we get past this map pack and these top 3 businesses here, people are going to scroll down to the first page to see who is, who's on this first page of Google, and that's where they're getting a lot of again, organic business. These aren't ads. These are, they're on this homepage when people make this search term. So, that's why I pulled up ABC Home and Commercial. They're obviously on the first page. Mr. Electric. But what I wanted to do is just show you, this is a tool that I use called Ahrefs. I pay $400 or $500 a month for it, but what it allows me to do is put in, your website and really take an analytical look at things, at what's good and bad, what can be improved, and so on and so forth. So, this, just to kind of go through this real briefly. You have 85 different websites, or referring domains, they call it, but it's basically 85 different websites that are giving you almost 400 backlinks. Looks like you've lost about 7 backlinks, recently. But that's, that's pretty good. And what that leads to is organic keywords and being ranked for things like Round Rock Electrician, where there's a lot of business. So, just to give you an apples to apples look at this, we want, we looked at, I wanted to put in, ABC Home and Commercial's website. Now, this is their whole website. Again, we know ABC and Home and Commercial spends a lot of money on their SEO, a lot of money making sure that, when people search, that they're on that first page of Google. And as you can tell here, I mean, comparatively speaking to, to your website and many other websites, they have a lot, right? They have a lot of referring domains here, over almost 11,000 referring domains, giving them 54,000 backlinks. I mean, this is next level SEO right here. But what I wanted to show you is really what we want to look at is just the URL that this search term Round Rock Electrician goes to, right? And when we go there, as you can see, they don't have any backlinks. They don't have any referring domains. Now, their main domain is powering all of these search terms. But as you'll see, we go into these organic keywords here, and we want to look, okay, where is all this traffic coming from, and how are they, where are they getting all these clients? And so there's Round Rock Electrician right there. They're ranked on number 7, so they're on the first page. It's usually about 9 to 10 listings on that first page of Google. And out of that, they're getting 15 click-throughs, or 15 clients, or phone calls, or folks that are filling out their forms. You add an S to that, Round Rock Electricians with an S, another 12 click-throughs per month. Again, first page of Google. Now, just to show you the kind of volume that these search words are getting, Round Rock Electrician, through over 300 people are typing that exact search term into Google every month. Okay, same with Round Rock Electricians with an S. So that's that's 600 potential customers that these guys are putting themselves on the first page of Google for, and out of that they're getting 27 click-throughs per month. As you can see here, Electrician Round Rock, same thing, 350 search terms per month, and they're getting 25 click-throughs. So again, being ranked number 5 on that first page is giving them a lot of areas. So just to show you, in clicking in on your organic keywords here, and obviously this is your whole site, so we'll scroll down to Round Rock. Here's Round Rock Electricians. Okay, again, 300 volume, 0 click-throughs, because of course you're ranked on second or third page of Google. So that's what's holding us back from getting those leads that are bringing in new customers. So that's just to summarize, the number 1, content, get more words on your homepage. Number 2, more citations will get us in that Google map pack, in those top 3 listings. And then third, backlinks, leading to getting you on that first page of Google, with the ABCs, with the Mr. Electrics, and so on and so forth. So I hope you get a lot out of that video. I hope that that it helps. You know, like I said, if you would like to talk further, I'd love to, you know, get your goals for your business and see which areas you would like to target and get more customers from, and we can go from there. But hope you liked the video. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Thanks, Karl.